These, ladies and gentlemen, are Pokeballs. Don't call them Pokemon balls because people freak the hell out. Don't ask me why. You're all sensitive about this Pokemon Go thing. So we had white candy melts, red candy melts. We microwaved them a little bit. Okay, put some non-stick spray in our cake pop mold, and then we paint on a nice layer of red, a nice layer of white. You can double up on the layers as they cool to make them thicker. Make some jello, so red jello, hot water, let it cool down, hit it with some vodka, or these Pokeballs wouldn't be here. There got to be some booze somewhere. It's the rules here. Put in our jello, okay, and then we stick it in the fridge. Look at all the beer I got in the bag there with booze. Oh my Lord. Okay, back to these Pokeballs now, okay? Grab them out, okay, and then we get some white chocolate that we have in this pen thing that we found somewhere. Okay, and we stick the two sides together, okay? Now that looks pretty ratchet as it is. So how do we hide that ratchetivity? We grab some black candy melts, put those in. Did you know they came in black? That freaked me out, okay? Good to know that we included everywhere. Okay,